Hello everyone, this is my mantou recipe. We will use a super easy way to make this. Just need one time proofing. Let's start with mixing the sugar and instant yeast with water. For this single proofing method, we will need to use cold water or even chilled water depending on the room temperature. Then pour the yeast water into the flour. Knead with a stand mixer for around 1 minute. Then add vegetable oil, or you can also use nut, which is a traditional Chinese way, and then continue kneading for at least 10 minutes until the dough is very smooth and elastic. Now slightly dust the operating board, then knead the dough for another while and shape it into a smooth ball. For the best result, the dough temperature should be lower than 28 degrees C after kneading. Now we divide the dough into 7 or 8 portions. Take one portion out, re-knead for a couple of minutes, and then shape it into a round ball. Turn it over and roll back and forth with your hands to make it taller. Repeat to finish all of them. Following, I want to share my tip of judging the proofing condition, water-based method. We place a small piece of dough in a cup with room temperature water. As the fermentation goes on, yeast in the dough will produce lots of bubbles, causing it to expand and become lighter. So when the proofing is ready, the small tasting dough will float on the surface. Now we set up the steamer by adding cold water in the wok. Then bring the water to a boiling with high fire. Slow down to medium-low heat. Steam for 30 minutes. Remove from fire and let it stand for 5 minutes. Open the lid, and this is our perfect steamed buns. Let's pick one. You can see it is so fluffy and soft. Whoa, look at that thin and smooth skin. That's a perfect proofing. With the same dough, you can make an either version, live cut buns. Now we divide the well-kneaded dough into 2 portions and shape each into a long log around 2 cm in diameter. Then cut the log into small sections with a knife. The proofing and steaming process is the same with the round buns. These little buns are super cute, and you can use it to make deep-fried golden buns. I hope you liked this video and give us a thumbs up. Happy cooking!